Hi there. Welcome to the Rex Community Educational Series. In our previous videos, we introduced you to crypto terminology and how to start buying crypto using a crypto exchange platform and MetaMask wallet. Today, we're going to show you how to use all that information and start investing in Rex. So keep watching and click the subscribe button below. In the last video, we talked about using crypto exchanges for converting money into the crypto needed to buy Rex. We bought BNB for transaction fees and BUSD for buying Rex, and then those were sent to our MetaMask wallet. Now we're finally ready to invest in Rex. First, let's talk about what kind of crypto Rex is. Rex can best be compared to a certificate of deposit or time deposit like those found in traditional finance. In other words, you can lock the Rex you buy for a period of time and earn additional Rex as a reward. The longer you lock your Rex, the more Rex you will receive. This locking is most often referred to as staking. Your additional Rex accumulates interest and is yours at the end of the staking period. So all I have to do is buy my Rex, stake it, and that's it. Yes, just stake it and relax. Let Rex work for you while you do more of the things you love. Okay, is there anything else I need to know before I buy Rex? Rex takes security seriously. It's been triple audited, conducted a hackathon, and even deployed CertiK and Skynet. Google it after you're done watching the video. The best way for beginners to acquire Rex is through the daily auctions. The minimum amount to participate in a daily auction is 100 BUSD. And each day, there is a specific amount of Rex available in the auction. You'll receive the proportion of that amount, based on your proportion of the total BUSD that was invested that day. For example, if there were 10,000 Rex tokens available that day, and you invested 100 BUSD out of the total 1,000 BUSD that day, you would receive 1,000 Rex tokens. This is a good place to pause the video. Soon we will walk through the steps to participate in a daily auction, but we need to discuss one more thing. There are two tokens that can enhance your investing experience with Rex. They are an mRex and a tRex. The mRex token allows you to earn up to 10% more Rex from daily auctions. That's 2% per mRex. You can read more about that and other benefits at the Rex.io website. mRex is not required to invest in Rex. It simply boosts your return of investment and is available on pancakeswap.com. Holding a tRex token in your wallet allows you to earn 25% more shares of Rex while staking Rex. It also doubles the amount of BUSD you can send to the auction each day. tRex is also not required to invest in Rex, and they can be purchased on the Rex.io website. Let's go to Rex.io. If you installed MetaMask on your desktop or laptop, open the web browser in MetaMask and go to Rex.io. If you installed MetaMask on your phone, you will need to open the MetaMask app. Click the menu button, choose the browser, and then enter Rex.io. You still need to verify that you are set to the Binance Smart Chain in MetaMask by looking at the top of the MetaMask app. For the remaining steps, we'll show a desktop and laptop screen. The mobile will be similar, just smaller. On Rex.io, click Launch App in the upper left. On the next page, click the Connect box in the upper left. Click MetaMask as the connection type, and then you're connected. Now we'll cover 3 areas of the website: the dashboard where you can see basic stats and buy tRex, the auctions, where you participate in the daily auctions, and the staking feature where you can lock up and view your stakes. For the purpose of this video, we will invest 100 BUSD into the auction. If you want to buy a tRex Boost token, you can do that on the dashboard. Take note of how much BUSD you will need in your wallet to be able to buy one. Now click on the Auctions menu item to enter the daily auction page. Enter 100 into the amount box, after which you should paste in a referrer address or click Use Random Referrer. Then click Send BUSD. You will then receive a MetaMask prompt which you will need to approve and confirm each time. You will receive a confirmation if the transaction is successful, so don't worry. Now, wait until the auction day ends, which is usually 5 p.m. UTC each day. After 5 p.m., go back to your dashboard to claim your REX from the auction. In this example, we will claim as a stake. This is how we lock our REX to earn additional REX. And we will stake for a minimum of 222 days. This will allow us to be eligible for big paydays, and more on that in a second, but feel free to stake for longer. Now click the doors open. Enter at least 222 days, then click Claim and Stake. Make sure to confirm and approve the MetaMask prompt. Then wait for the success confirmation. You did it! This was not easy, so you should feel good about yourself. Great, but what exactly are these big paydays you're talking about? If you're claiming your REX from the daily auction as a stake for at least 222 or more days, you become eligible for a big payday. A big payday is where you can win back the amount of BUSD you invested into the auctions. It's random and you can win more than once. To see if you won, go back to your dashboard after the auction ends each day, and there will be a message like this if you are a winner. You have now successfully invested in REX. So congratulations on becoming a part of the crypto revolution. REX even has so much more to offer, such as referral rewards, staking ladder strategies, and even an exchange for stakes. But for now, let's celebrate you as a new REX investor. Thanks again for dropping by, and don't forget to click subscribe on your way out.